our disaster management class, EMER 355, was in charge of planning and executing a mass casualty incident for our EMT Basic class to complete as part of their training in order to practice treatment, triage, and transport.
Our MCI was set up as a gas explosion in a workshop. We did this to set up patients, realistic patients for the EMTs to triage and transport. We wanted to create a physical set that reflected the chaos of a real-life situation.
Make sure you know your role, make sure you know the criteria for what skills you're performing, and be confident and keep your head calm while you're working.
I think one thing that was a very big takeaway from this scenario was the real importance of communication and respecting the hierarchy. Having one person kind of oversee all the little details and just work out everything from an eagle's eye point of view.
When you step out into the field for the first time, there's nothing that can truly prepare you for what that's like. And I think doing the best you can in the training environment to get as close as possible to what it's really like out there is going to serve you so well in the field as you continue to gain experience.